Hey everybody, this is Ashley with Publish with Ashley, and welcome to my YouTube channel where I talk about KDP and all things related to publishing online, low content, medium content, high content books, just publishing books on Amazon. And so please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. And today is about my income report for June 2021. I know you guys are always excited to see these income reports, and I hope they're really motivational for you. So I just want to share with you what I've made, and I'm going to go through what I've actually made in royalties. So that's kind of like take-home income, what I've spent on ads. So you subtract that from the take-home income, so it's like the whole thing of what I've made. And then I have a special bonus at the end. If you watch all the way to the end, there is something special for you. All right, so let's talk about what I have made this month. And it is $2,873.42. And I guess it's in June of 2021. And so this is the royalty estimator. When you see these, this is a few things. This is your royalties, not your sales. So royalties is actually what you take home. So that's what they put into your bank account. And it is an estimate because this is giving me like an exchange rate for different countries, and that, you know, that will depend once you actually goes into your bank and comes into your bank account, the exchange rate. So this is just, you know, pretty close, but it does depend a little bit on exchange rate. And this is what I actually get in my bank account. And they pay 2 months after. So I will get my June royalties at the end of August, right? So July, end of August, 2 months later. Okay, so this is pretty good. And I think KDP is amazing because I can make this kind of income monthly. This is kind of my slow time. I tend to make and it's true with most businesses, you tend to make a lot of your money in Q4, which is the end of the year, October, November, and December, right? November, December is that Christmas buying season. So those, you'll see my income kind of be at this kind of steady state, and then at the end of the year. Now, I want to give you some motivation for those of you who are starting out and new. I do this, I guess it's full-time in the sense of I have time to do it full-time, but I don't spend my full time on this. I have actually built this up over the years. I slowly publish things. I have around 3,000 books right now, but a lot of those are outdated planners. I end up doing a lot of planners, which is also why I make a lot of my money in Q4, because people buy planners in Q4. I'm actually going to start do some academic planners, which people will start purchasing in the July, August, September timeframe. So I'm going to do some academic planners to try and boost kind of my September sales, which do tend to be a lot lower. So I have built my income slowly and consistently. That's one of the things you can really do with KDP to make money, is if you consistently make quality books that people want to buy, that people want to spend their hard-earned money on, not just put out 3,000 books and expect to make money. I have made what I make monthly now has been over several years because I slowly and consistently put out quality books. And yes, I have 3,000 of them, but like I said, only a lot of them are outdated stuff. So about 200 of those sell regularly because they're, more relevant for this time of year, or just they're relevant right now. So you just need to continue to put out good quality, continue to learn, continue, watch my YouTube channel. I'm really big on showing you niches, but not just showing you niches, showing you researching what you can do, what's different, how can you take a unique angle, how can you understand your target audience, your target market, so that you can create a book that they want to buy and spend money on. And that's really important, understanding your target market so you can create something that they want to buy. Okay, that's like my number one tip. Most people aren't selling because they're thinking about making it fast, or just thinking about what they think looks good. You're making it for somebody else to purchase. So, you want to make what they would like to buy. Now, if you're making something because it's an interest you have, then yeah, maybe do make it for you and what you would like. And there's probably other people out there who have the same interests as you. And so you would understand your target audience, your target market. You would understand them because you are part of that. Okay, so this is what I've made, but I want to show you my advertising. Okay, so this is my US. I actually have UK ads as well. You can see in the bottom, I averaged, it's about $50 because of conversion. I just kind of did a conversion and it was about $50. But this is my US advertising. So this is, I do advertise, I do AMS, Amazon advertising. You'll hear those are kind of synonymous. I spent $157.11 in the month of June, and I had good sales. But the things you want to really notice is my ACoS number, okay? 13.43% is really, really good. I am very conservative in my ads. I am very thoughtful as to what I want to advertise, why I want to advertise it. I kind of really spend a lot of time thinking and considering how I advertised. I always know what my break-even ACoS is, and mine is, depending on the book, somewhere between 22 to 33%. So I am obviously making money because my break-even would be if my ACoS was above that. So at 13%, it is well below my lowest book, which is 25. Most of mine tend to be closer to the 30 range because I make a lot of quality books that I charge more like $8.99 for. I have a few that sell really well at $12.99 and also at $19.99. So I get really good profit margins off of those books. And it makes advertising easier. But I'm very specific and focused. So let's see what I made. So $2,873.42 minus $157.11 minus about $50 in the UK ads. I made $2,666.31 this month of June. So what I wanted to do is, if you're still listening, great. I wanted to do a special offer. So Christmas in July, for $29, it's normally $49 my Amazon KDP publishing. So if you guys are really interested in learning how to do advertising, being focused and using manual ads and being a lot more thoughtful in your ads, this is kind of the beginner course for you. I go through everything. I show you my dashboard. I have ACoS. Some of my better ACoS are like 3 and 4%, and you can do that too. But it takes time and thought. I like to say that advertising is an art and a science. There's definitely the science, the numbers portion, but it's also an art of trying, getting out there, being experimental, being creative. And I kind of walk you through the process of how I do that. So thank you for being here at the end. You can get that $20 coupon for it's 20 ads. And you can go to my website, publishwithashley.podia.com. The website will be in the show notes, but the ads, the coupon for the ad is 20 ads, will not be there because I wanted to save it for you guys who watched to the end. It is all caps 20ADS. This expires the 27th of July at 11 p.m. Eastern. And thank you so much for being here. I really hope that you guys are inspired and learning about that you can make money online. You can make a consistent monthly passive income in the sense that it's work I did previously and it's giving me rewards each month. And please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much. Bye.